Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create our own WordPress plugin with the help of AI. In this tutorial, we will create WhatsApp chat plugin for our WordPress. So here we go. To create a WordPress plugin, we are going to use here the Cursor AI code editor. You can watch that video or it's very easy to install and download that Cursor AI, the same as like VS Code. Okay, so open the cursor.com and download that Cursor AI editor. Okay, now in the desktop, I'm going to create one folder. So click on new folder and just folder name is suppose WhatsApp plugin. Okay, just okay. Now open the cursor code editor. So here I have that cursor. Now click on the file, click on the open folder and select your folder. Suppose WhatsApp plugin that we created, just open it. Now that's our folder. In the left side you'll see this folder have no files. And the right side you'll find the chatbot. We need to just type one prompt, simple prompt. Okay, create a simple WordPress plugin for WhatsApp chat. And from the admin panel, I can change the WhatsApp number. Okay, the WhatsApp button will display in the front of website. And now we just need to click on enter. I will give you that prompt in the description. Okay. Now we just need to wait some seconds and that Cursor AI will create all plugins file for you. So he started generating the files as you can see here, and you don't need to create any files here. That AI code editor will do everything for you. Now, as you can see here, that AI tool generated a code for us. As you can see, this is the PHP code he generated. Just accept this like this. Done. Now, what we need to do here, just open that folder that we created, blank folder. This, as you can see here, we have a file. Okay. Now, just need to click on that folder and just right click on that folder and just click on compress. Okay. Now we have one zip file, WhatsApp plugin.zip. Now open your any WordPress website. So I'm going to open my WordPress website dashboard. Click on the plugin, click on the add new plugin, click on upload plugin, click on choose file, select our file, zip file and click on install. And as you can see here, this plugin installed successfully. Click on activate. Now once you activate it, in the left side you will see here the WhatsApp chat. Click on it. And as you can see here, WhatsApp number. So you can put any number here. Here the country code, suppose 919112345678 9 10. Okay, and just save it. Now I'm gonna open my website here. And in the right top bottom, you will see here the WhatsApp. Right? Once you click on that WhatsApp, that will redirect me to my WhatsApp like this. Okay, so it means we have successfully created a WhatsApp chat plugin. If you want to do some changes on the color, padding and everything, so you just need to tell to that AI to do all that function and he will do for you. So that's the easiest way to create your own WordPress plugin with the help of AI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.